let's do a get ready with me for my baby moon in Cancun. While I am doing a voiceover, I still wanted to share with you how I did these evening looks almost every night. Actually, I did switch this up because I brought different type of makeup, and so I did play with makeup a couple of times. So first, let's put on these Hue Drops by Glow Recipe. This was on the beginning, probably the first or second night, so I hadn't gotten the full tan yet, and I wanted to, darken up the skin a bit more. The biggest thing my doctor told me is to hydrate. So a lot of the products I'm using, like these Glow Recipe drops, have a lot of hydrating properties in them. So that was my main focus when I was there, was drinking lots of water and hydrating my skin. So let's blend that out using my beauty blender. And then I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation because I forgot my powder and this dries matte. So I did take a different foundation, but I wasn't able to use it at all because I didn't have a powder, which is so weird. So go ahead and blend that out using your beauty blender. I did notice that this blends out a little bit better with a brush than the beauty blender, but I had already had the beauty blender handy, and I don't believe I took a foundation brush. So I had a bit of the baby brain when I was packing, apparently. So it is what it is. I may do, and that's all I can do sometimes. All right, so I'm blending that out, and I'm going to use the Revolution IRL concealer. This also dries matte, and it is waterproof. So it's kind of one of those things that, like, once it dries, it stays put. It's a really good concealer. I highly recommend. The other thing I will say is that I have terrible lighting in this video. I do apologize in advance. I was filming this in real time and the sun was going down as I was filming. So there's that. The light gets a little bit worse as we go. I apologize. I'm using my Barbie blush collection by NYX. This was a collab they did last year, but I'm just really mixing the two blushes in here and placing that on the cheeks now that my foundation is dry. So just get that everywhere on there. And I'm also going to use a little bit of the middle shade to add some highlight. I did want to share with you one of the main things we noticed while we were in this resort in Cancun is that a lot of people sort of grab their towels and hold chairs, like lounge chairs, for themselves for that day, which is really crazy to me because I was on that lounge chair all day long. I didn't really leave. I was really beach bumming it. And all of the chairs had towels on them, but no one came. It's just so interesting to me to hoard a lounger, but not come and actually enjoy the chair. A lot of people were doing this, and then I did see that people were just kind of moving chairs around or moving towels around. It just didn't feel like people were being very courteous about the towels that were there, but I don't know. What's your take on that? Are you one of the people that put towels on the loungers and then never went to go sit on the lounger? I saw a lot of people doing this in the pool area as well. Some of them had loungers the night before, or towels on the loungers the night before. And I just thought that was crazy. But yeah, let me know what your take is on it. I'm going to put this brow gel in my brows and just kind of comb them out and add a little bit of dimension to the brows. And now I'm going to go ahead and go into the Barbie eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take this cocoa brown color and put it in my crease. It's kind of what I always do, is just get that color in there to start off with the crease color. The other thing we noticed is people moving the loungers around. Honestly, because I was being a beach bum the whole time, I just kind of people watched and noticed a lot of behavior with these loungers. A lot of entitled behavior with loungers at these resorts is what I kind of realized. Okay, I'm going to go into this gold color here and just place that in the all over the lid area. So yeah, my husband and I kind of talked about that a lot. But we did really enjoy our time there, and people watching is one of our favorite things to do. So that was really cool. Now I'm going to go into that gold color with a pencil brush and place that in the inner corner. This brush is a little bit more concentrated, so it makes the product come out a little bit brighter in this area, which I do like. Now I'm taking this LA Girl Shockwave Metallic Eye Pencil in a gold color and placing that in the inner waterline, just kind of from the middle to the inner corner there, and just to add a little bit more highlight and brightness to that area and open up the eyes a little bit more. Now I'm going to go ahead and take a brown eyeliner. This one is from Pixie. It is brown and it is a waterproof formula. Because it's going in the water line, you do need it to be waterproof. And now I'm taking a liquid eyeliner. This one is by NYX. It is Epic Liner or Epic Line, I believe, but it is a chocolatey color, and I'm gonna line the top lids with it and creating this small little wing. I always create a wing. It just looks so much better on every eye shape. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. This is the Revlon and Barbie eyelash curler collab, and I actually do like it. It's shaped really nicely for my lashes. Now I'm going to take this Melt Cosmetics liner, lip liner. This is in a coral color. And I will have all of the products listed down below, as I always say. Just give me a bit to get that together. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips and fill them in just a little bit. This is a fun coral color. Now I'm going to use my Revlon favorite lipstick. It is the Moon Drops lipstick in Frost, and the shade is Crystal Cut Coral 700. It is the prettiest corally color. Now I'm going to use my NARS lip gloss in the shade Orgasm. Now I'm going to go ahead and drink some more water because I'm going to now move on to my hair. So this is sort of just washed hair. It has really nothing in it. The only thing I put in it is this product here by Moroccan Oil. It's like a frizz product to help me to not have frizz. But I'm just going to create this like side part here and just really wear my hair natural and flowy. It does have a good wave to it. So I'm going to let that go like that, and then put on my jewelry. These are the cutest little flamingo earrings. I'm going to share the reel that I did featuring all the jewelry that I took, so you can see exactly the pieces a little bit better than how I'm showing them here. So that is my whole look. Here in just a moment, I'm going to share with you my dress, but this is the purse that I'm taking. It is a clutch. It is by Bath & Body Works. Such a random place to buy a clutch, but it works. And then this is the dress. It is not maternity, but it works as a maternity dress for me. And these are my little shell sandals. They're by Katy Perry. And this is the whole look. So I had such a great time every evening in Cancun. I will share with you a vlog coming up soon. Until then, thank you so much, and please subscribe.